Guys, you are in for a treat today. I have found a freaking gem. Guys, this ain't no average crypto. This is crypto gaming. I have found a team that's been working on this game for absolutely years, and their team is full stacked. You know me, I don't bring no average stuff to you guys. So let's jump in and let's take a look. So, guys, let's take a look at their socials, right? But before I start, I just wanted to let you know a brief information about Pikamoon. So Pikamoon is a play and earn RPG. Like, these guys ain't playing around. They're looking to build something absolutely huge. And guys, as you know, I'm big on narratives, and crypto gaming is a huge narrative, and it hasn't even blown up yet. So I believe that, well, crypto has like its days. Sometimes it's gaming, sometimes meme coins, and now I believe we're coming to that kind of utility play and gaming. For me personally, I think is the best use case, one of the best use cases for crypto. So it's set in the world of Driva. The take on the role of tamers, collecting, training, and battle element creators. Think Pokemon meets Web3. That's what I like about it, because when you kind of use like Web2 companies and there's some sort of synergy there with Web3, it's easier for people to understand, for the norms to get in and want to participate. So with the open exploration, PFP battles, and full digital ownership through their NFTs and PIKA tokens. So guys, you heard it, NFTs. And check this out. Here's the crazy part. The first release is not some tiny little demo. In Q4 2026, Pikamoon is dropping a AAA battle royale. What the heck? That is absolutely nuts. And it's built to compete with Fortnite and PUBG from day one. Big plans. All right, cool. So now let's take a look at the socials. I always look at socials when I am looking to invest into a project. I want to see who do we have as mutuals. So we have a couple of mutual followers, which is a good sign. All right. So what's engagement? Good engagement. 12,000 there, 4,000 there. Who else is talking about it? Cool. This is very interesting, guys. Like, we want to see them spending money on marketing. So we want to see faces as well. We want to see people talking about it. We want to see faces. And this team docs, guys. And look, Solana Gaming has reposted them. Crazy. Guys, look at the graphics on them. Absolutely nuts. And yet they have a docs team, and there's 35 full-time staff developers on this project. So that's what I like. To be honest, I wouldn't like speak about any projects that team isn't doxed, just because you know what crypto is like, and also have to be, it's my brand. It's my brand at risk when I talk about projects. So yeah, loving their polls. Very active on Twitter. We want active founders, docs, going out to events. Really, really good. Networking. Cool. Followers. How many followers I got? 29,000 followers. Love it, love it, love it. All right, now let's take a look at the website. Good graphics. Pikamoon. Let's go. All right, cool. So love it. Okay, so you can buy the token on their website. Like it. All right, here's a little preview on their YouTube. Let's take a look. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but you can go over to their YouTube and also take a look. Graphics are crazy, boy. Cool. Oh, wow. Okay, they ain't playing. They ain't playing. Okay, Mexi's partnered with Mexi, Meteora, and Solana Gaming. That's huge. All right, I like their website. Let's check their roadmap out. So the roadmap saying All right, cool. The genesis of Pikamoon. So pre-sale phase 1 complete. So they raised $1 million in the pre-sale. Okay, pre-sale 2 million. So they ain't playing, guys. They raised $3 million on their pre-sale. That's cool. Okay, so the NFT cards, website fee version 3 release. Okay, 2024 to develop productive start, core game and system development, server art, and I mentioned setup UI and UX sound design, trader release, alpha release, 5 years plan. All right. They ain't playing. They got a whole 5 years plan. So yeah, guys, roadmap looks stacked. You guys want to go over to the website and do some due diligence, have a look at it yourself. All right. This is crazy. Like, look what I just found by doing some digging. So always go to dig and do your research. Look at this. Wow, this is nuts. I've just found this out, guys. I was bullish about this project, but this is crazy. Look at this. Solana official Twitter has added them, has tagged them in September last month. You get an announcement, and you get an announcement, and you get an announcement. Ecosystem firing up on all cylinders lately. Welcome on board, Pikamoon game. All right, guys. So they've got the backing of Solana. Solana ain't tweeting about some random project. So obviously these guys are the big boys. So I know what you guys are thinking. Nah, I'm gonna buy this shit. I'm gonna buy this shit. All right, I'm thinking the same. So the release of the token is on the 12th of October. So by the time you see this video, it would be released. It's going to get released on Mexi, which is great. Like, I know that Mexi doesn't just list any trash. So yeah, like I said, big boys. So yeah, we release on Mexi Exchange, but just make sure that you go to this specific website. 1 second. Let's paste this in. It's pikamoon.io/buy. Perfect. Basic their website, guys. And then you can either buy through Meteoria or buy through Mexi. And they've got their token address on here now. All right, guys, I don't give financial advice, right? How would I personally play it? You know me, I'm gonna be honest with my people. I would personally probably get a little bit in on launch and then wait for a little bit of dip and get a little bit in there, you know, take my initials out, have a moon bag, keep it running, and also be part of the ecosystem, guys. Don't just, people just buy coins and then just expect it just to go up, which I get it, but work for your bags, man. Get in, tweet, retweet, be part of the community, jump in the Telegram, be part of something. Because remember, guys, if you don't stand for something, you fall for everything. So, guys, till the next time, peace.